pretty, huh, Zozo?
So everyone that comes to visit today gets to see in one place all the wonderful things that are going on to make this a wonderful place to live for future generations. It also provides an opportunity for people to understand what they can do to help, how they can get involved. It really is a one-stop shopping for finding everything that's going on in the Charlotte Harbor Estuary.
Guys, do you want to learn about a watershed? Do you know what a watershed is?
And when it rains, all of this drains into the Gulf of Mexico.
Where the river meets the sea is an estuary. Now you say it with me. Where the river meets the sea.
That's cool, huh?
And that's the biggest turtle.
Yeah.
The Clinic for the Rehabilitation of Wildlife is a teaching hospital and visitor center dedicated to saving wildlife through state-of-the-art veterinary care, research, education, and conservation medicine. We love coming out here to the Charlotte Harbor Nature Festival. It's a great way to promote our businesses and the other organizations who share in our same endeavors.
There you go. And the big black bear. You ever seen a black bear? Okay. Sorry.
So what we do is we promote a lot of cleanups and volunteer activities in Charlotte County, and we do a lot of recycling. And so what we want to do is we want to show residents what they actually get out of materials that are recycled. This ruler was actually made out of blue jeans. It's denim material. This one was made out of money, old bills, dollar bills, $100 bills, $5 bills. This one was made out of sawdust. We had some earlier that were made out of newspaper, yellow pages. Lots of different materials can be made into other different products, and that's what we want to show.
Perfect.
Today we have a display going on, and it's a very educational event for all ages. The different butterflies require different host plants to survive. The monarchs survive on milkweed. The giant swallowtails, which are beautiful butterflies, survive on wild lime.